Want to look at the structure of your financial statement versions or view a list of accounts that are assigned to certain company codes? Then open the Manage Chart of Accounts app on your SAP Fiori Launchpad and get started. The default view is the Financial Statement Versions page. Select an ID here. On the Balance Sheet tab, you see the accounts assigned to the balance sheet for this financial statement version. And you see the same on the Profit and Loss tab. The Unassigned Accounts tab shows you the accounts that haven't been assigned to this financial statement version. The number displayed on the tab shows you how many accounts are still unassigned. The Notes tab is for accounts that need to have zero balance. It's not relevant for your financial statement results. On each of these tabs, you can switch between the hierarchy and the list view display of your accounts. On the Chart of Accounts page, if you select one or more company codes, you get a list of all accounts assigned to these company codes. You can also compare accounts on the company code level. For a clearly structured view of your GL accounts and a speedy way to check your account data, use the Manage Chart of Accounts app.